Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a trouser press. First, find a stable, flat surface for your Toshiba trouser press, ideally near an electrical outlet. Make sure the press is clean and free of any dust or lint from previous uses. Then, simply plug the power cord securely into a grounded electrical socket. This ensures safe and effective operation for perfectly pressed trousers every time. Now, let's get those trousers pressed. Open the press completely and carefully lay your trousers flat, ensuring they are smooth and wrinkle-free. Take a moment to align the existing creases of your trousers precisely with the pressing plate for a sharp finish. Once positioned, close the press firmly and set the timer according to the fabric type, usually between 15 to 30 minutes. After the pressing cycle finishes, allow your trousers to cool for a few minutes before removing them. This helps to set the crease and prevents new wrinkles from forming. Carefully lift the trousers from the press, admiring their perfectly sharp lines. For maintenance, simply wipe the pressing plates with a slightly damp cloth after each use to keep your Toshiba press in top condition. Using a trouser press offers fantastic benefits. You'll achieve professional-looking trousers quickly and easily, saving you time and money on dry cleaning. Plus, it helps extend the life of your garments by reducing the need for frequent washing. This simple tool truly elevates your wardrobe. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. It's packed with valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.